Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CVRS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice move. I can't imagine anybody sitting around and saying, no, today wasn't very nice. Now, sure, the price did pull back here a little bit, but even where it closed relative to where it was before the day, still a good solid move. But that does lead into the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level. And that's why I love charts, makes things very straightforward. And that level is right here at the $1.28. Why is the $1.28 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.28. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back inside of this range where it's already been. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows right there. You'd have that set. You get the idea. You picture each one of those as stair steps. Well, hey, now you have stair steps continuing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game, right? Truly strong moves continue, make progress in the upwards direction. And I'm just defining quote unquote progress as $1.28. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these battlegrounds at? For this, going to scrunch up the chart a little bit just to make sure I'm not missing anything. No, not really. So let's see. Yep. So then $1.60 is essentially the next key level to keep an eye on. And I'm just going to focus on the one level of resistance, reason for that being, in my opinion at least, breaking levels of resistance, not really a top priority at this point in time. Top priority is going through a healthy consolidation, building a higher base, because when you take a step back from the big picture of things, as long as prices are putting in higher lows, then the long-term chart's going to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.